Hi everyone, my name is Rich Billion Dollar Jr. and welcome to my channel. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe down and also leave a comment if this video was very useful to you. So today we are coming to learn about how to create a YouTube channel in 2019. There has been a lot of changes with Google and YouTube, so we are coming to learn about how to create the new YouTube account and also how to create a channel 2019. So quickly let's move into our browser. First let's sign in to our Gmail account. So Gmail, our caps are on. Before you can create a YouTube account, you have an email address. So we have a couple of email addresses over here. This one over here, this one over here already has a YouTube channel, and this one too has already. This one too has already, but this one that has. So we are going to use this one to create a YouTube channel. So quickly, let's move in. Okay, so we set our password. No, that's not it. Okay. So let's wait for our Gmail account to open, then we can move on. Okay, so it's a new email actually, so we don't have a lot of emails here. So quickly let's move into the menu section over here. This icon over here is the menu, Google's menu. So let's open. We see a couple of services over here. We have search, we have Google Map, we have YouTube, we have Google Play Store, we have Gmail itself, we have Drive, and a couple of menus. So we want to create a YouTube channel. So quickly let's go to YouTube. So that's the page loading. My internet is a bit slow today, but we'll move on. Okay, so let's quickly sign in. Before you can have a YouTube channel, you need to sign in to YouTube. Actually, you have to sign in to YouTube before you can have a YouTube channel. So we've signed in already. So let's go ahead and create our channel. See, come here, the channel button over there. Click. Okay, so it says here, use YouTube as. So we want this name to be used on YouTube. So on our YouTube channel, so let's say Max, or we can change it. We can change it because we are coming to use YouTube to make a lot of money. So we want a good name for it. So let's make it make money. Okay, so our first name is make money, and our last name is money. Okay, so let's create. This name will display in your YouTube channel, page, when you open it. So it's created. It's very simple and easy. It's very simple and easy. So simple. So we've created a YouTube channel within a twinkling of an hour. So let's go ahead and upload 1 or 2 videos to see how YouTube actually works. So upload a video. Okay, so it will take you to this place. So we say let's upload a video. Okay, so let's see if we can get a video to upload. Okay, so let's upload a music video. Okay. So that's our video loading. This takes much time depending on the size of the video. So whilst we wait for it to load, let us prepare our video so that it can be viewed, or it will be able to get a lot of views. So that's our video name, Kels and TMW Spy Season, produced by Caris. So let's provide a description for this video. So let's say this music video is by Kels and TMW. This is their second jam, or their second music, or their second track. So let's put it that way, their second track. And it's very dope. Okay, so let's put in our tags. And actually these tags actually help people to find your video. So you see, sometimes when you go to the internet, YouTube or Google, they immediately you start typing what you want. Maybe you want music by Sarkodie. So the moment you start typing music, a whole options will pop up, telling you or helping you to easily find what you really want. So this is what I'm trying to do here. So we want people to see our video or find our video so quickly when they even start typing the name Kels. So one of our tags will be Kels, the other one will be TMW, and then other one will be music in Ghana. So immediately someone goes to YouTube and start typing music in Ghana, our video will pop up. So music in Ghana. This is an it's a hip life song. So hip life music. Okay, live music, and season. So even if someone is searching for a season, our video will pop in. Who knows, it will attract people to watch. So what else, let's try and think. Good music. Well, it's a good music actually. So good music. Let's even put in Ghana. So Ghana, let's put in Ghana. Let's put in Spice. Actually, the title of the music is even important. So Spice Season, and then I think it's okay. It's okay. So let's move in to the next section. Translate. Okay, we don't want anything here. We leave it as it is. Okay, so here we actually set the video. So we are premiering it today. So we want it to be premiered